Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by my channel and watching today's video, which is all about the Gold Regenesis eye cream. That's it. It is 20ml, absolute luxury on your eyes. But if you are new to watching my channel, my name is Sharon Howard and I help network marketers get seen, loved and selling using social media and YouTube. That's how I've built my business over the years, and it's how I'm helping other people to build their businesses too. And I have been with FM forever and absolutely love the products and why I keep sharing them with the world, because you all need them. So this is the eye cream. It's 20ml. It's the gorgeous standard colours of the day cream and the night cream. And I'm going to show you what it's like. I put way too much on for an eye, but I want you to see what my skin looks like now before I put the cream on. And then it's so smooth. It's like a serum. It's like a serum and a cream all in one. So look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. So can you imagine when you put your makeup on top of that as well? And it's seriously, you can feel it working straight away. Now, the best thing to do with your eye cream is put it in the fridge. So if you keep it in the fridge in the morning and at night, because you've got to put this cream on twice a day, for the start, it's going to be lovely and cool, which is soothing. So it's got, what's in it? It's got, here we go, bisabolol, bisabolol from the chamomile plant, which soothes and regenerates. So that combined with the ice coldness of the fridge, when it goes on your eyes, it's going to reduce the black circles, it's going to reduce puffiness, and it's going to really feel firm to the touch as well. So that's one of the reasons you need to be putting this in the fridge. Well, all the reasons you need to be putting it in. Anyway, let's go on with the tongue twisters. So it contains hexapeptide 8 that soothes, that smooths existing lines, and it helps, hold back and put at bay any new ones forming. And that's what we need, right? We don't want any more lines forming. So that's why you need to be applying it. And you just do dab, dab, dab. That's all you need to do. Just a few little dots under your eye and it just melts in. That's what it's about. It also has terapeptide 5, and that reduces the appearance of the dark circles and the puffiness. So all is combined, it's helping your skin tighten, firm, reduce lines and wrinkles. And it fights the signs of aging and fatigue. It restores firmness and elasticity, and it smooths and soothes the delicate skin around the eyes. So if you want to grab a pot of this magic, and I want to also say as well, that when you do use the Gold Regenesis, instead of like using this from that collection, you maybe got a product from Boots, or you maybe got another product from, Olay. I still want to call it Ulay. That's really showing my age, isn't it? Because so many people want to know that it used to be called oil of Ulay. But it really helps your skin so much better if you use the same collection. So as I say, we've got the day cream, we've got the night cream, we've got the toner, we've got the skin scrub, we've got the eye cream. So all this combined does play like a tune in harmony, and it helps all the things balance out your skin. If you're over 40, you need this stuff. That's why it's better to use all the products from the same collection. Right, as I said, it's 26 quid. 20ml, or you can get it for £18 if you open your own account. I'm going to drop all the links below. You can order it direct, you can sign up direct, have it sent straight to your house, saving 8 quid. So you can either keep that saving, or you can also retail it to other people and make 8 quid every single pot you sell. Choice is yours. It's totally up to you. Right, that's me. Make sure you watch the playlists that'll be dropping, and subscribe to my channel, because I've got some more videos that will be coming your way. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.